2, 3, funky.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, how are you guys? It's been a while na guys since not been a while. It's been a long time na hindi ako nagba-vlog, hindi ako nagpo-post dito sa YouTube. Kasi due to mga busy schedules, kasi may klase pa ako. I'm still a 4th year student, graduating student guys. So, yesterday pala nag-attend ako ng anime cosplay convention ay Geek Pop events sa Lemketkay Mall ng Cagayan de Oro City. At doon, umatin ako doon kasi mahilig ako sa anime at kasama ko yung kapatid ko which is yung mahilig din sa anime. By the way, she's a cosplayer guys. She likes cosplaying. Yeah,
One eternity later.
So guys, nandito na kami sa may Lemketkay Mall and we have arrived early, mga around 10 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, malawak ang venue nito. Dito ay nakikita sa may atrium at may iba na umattend dito na nag-cosplay din sa kanilang piniling character, ilang gustong character na cosplay, at ang iba ay nag-prepare sila ng kanilang mga merchandise na i-sell nila sa ibang tao at may stage na rin dito at saka malawak ang venue na ito guys, as you can see.
Sinong pinistan dito? Taas kamay.
Gusto nyo to?
Sinong pinistan dito sa takbo?
Some photos.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight.
Few minutes later.
Pagkatapos namin kumain, naglakad-lakad kami dito sa mall. Nandito kami sa my pet store. At ang cute talaga ng mga kittens. And patuloy kami sa aming paglalakad. Nag-i-enjoy kami. Pagkatapos ay bumalik na kami doon sa may venue namin at ngayon ang marami ng tao kaysa kaninang umaga na hindi masyadong maraming tao nga at ngayon marami ng tao dito at you can see nakita na namin sina Ruru at Charis na yung sikat na cosplayers at saka nag-start na ang event dito. Maraming nagsasayaw
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Photos.
A few moments later.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog.